effort is the amount of time a person will spend on a project and is used to calculate the amount of their salary to charge to the grant. Annual effort is the estimate ratio of effort over a project year or budget period. If salary is annualized, the effort must also be annualized. If an investigator is committing the same level of effort during the entire project year or budget period, the amount of effort they provide you with is their annual effort. However, if an investigator will work only in certain months or will commit different levels of effort in certain months, calculation is needed to determine their annual effort. To annualize effort when an investigator will work only in certain months, multiply the number of relevant months by the effort that they will provide and then divide that by 12. In this first example, an investigator will commit 100% of their time for 1 month. In other words, they are requesting 1 month of salary for a 12-month project period. So we will multiply 1 by 100% and divide that by 12. That gives us 8.33% annual effort. In the second example, an investigator is working on the project during the academic months only and will commit 3% effort. They have a 9-month appointment, so we will multiply 9 by 3% and then divide by 12 to get 2.25% annual effort. It is also possible that investigator or other personnel member will commit varying levels of effort during the year. The easiest way to look at this is someone committing a certain level of effort during their academic months and then a different level of effort during their summer months. So what we will do is we will take the number of appointment months and multiply that by their amount of effort that they will commit during those months. You will add that to the number of summer months multiplied by the amount of effort that they will commit during those months, and take that result and divide by 12. In this case, we have an investigator committing 3% effort during their academic months, and they have a 9-month appointment. They will also commit 10% of effort during the summer, but will only work 2 months during the summer. So you can see the formula here. You take 9, multiply that by 3%, and then take 2, multiply that by 10%, and add those two together. Then divide by 12, and you will get 3.92% annual effort. This formula can be used even when the varying levels of effort are not during the academic or summer months. Perhaps someone tells you they will commit 2% effort for 3 months and 10% effort for 5 months. You could use the same formula here, swapping out the number of months for the academic months and the summer months. Some sponsors, such as the National Institutes for Health and other federal agencies, require effort to be reported in person months. Calendar months is a common type of person months used. This is the ratio of effort for the entire year. To calculate the calendar months, you will take the effort ratio and multiply that by 12 to get their person months effort. For an example, think about the previous calculation. We calculated Dr. Apple's annual salary as 3.92%. To convert her effort to person months, take 3.92% and multiply that by 12. You can see here that 0.0392 times 12 equals 0.04704, or at least that is what we have rounded to.